Alright installers, we promised a solution for our frosted graphics, so I've got my beautiful assistant here to show you exactly what we need to do. So as you can see, he's got it taped up at the top, and he's squeegeeing everything down so it's as tight as it can be to the mask. And that is the first and one of the most important steps in how we're showing you how to apply this. So now what he's going to do is he's going to lightly heat the first line, and only the first line, from the top. So right on the mask is where he's going with this. And once he's got it heated, he's going to squeegee it back down. And then flip it up and peel off the backer for only the first line of text. And as you can see, he's going at it at an angle. 45 degrees is what we're recommending to make sure that each individual letter doesn't stick to the backer. And you can see how careful he's being, just trying to make sure that it is sticking to the mask instead of the backer. So there's a little bit of finesse involved. So now that first line of text there is only stuck to the mask. And that's when he squeegees it to the surface. And now that first one's on there. And then we're going to go ahead and repeat all of the steps we did for that first line of text. So as you can see, he's going at it lightly with the heat gun. And again, you can see he's got kind of an angle on there. it'll be a good idea to bring your own blade, just in case any of those little thin pieces of lettering do not want to cooperate. It is possible to get them back in place. And again, we're just going to take this first line of those little dots and repeat exactly what we had done for the first 2 lines of text. And that line was a pretty easy one. You're doing great. All right, home stretch.
Almost there.
And then of course just be really careful when you're peeling off that mask. Make sure everything's still staying in place. And I'm sure you know if you've got to squeegee some of that back down, just go for it. But what we're hoping from this little instructional video is that it gives you a better idea of how to deal with a less traditional kind of mask on a really tough backer for this graphic. It's a little more work, but I mean, at least you've got a better idea this time, and hopefully everything goes well. Voila! There it is.